Stop by and take a look at the 2014 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.